Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, if x and y are two independent log normal variates, then xy and x by y follow the following two distributions respectively. Now log xy is equal to log x plus log y will follow normal distribution. Likewise, log x by y is log x minus log y. This will again follow normal distribution. Thus, both xy and x by y have log normal distribution. So option C is the correct answer. The next question is, if fx has exponential distribution with mean 2, then probability x less than 1 given x less than 2 is. So probability x less than 1 given x less than 2 is equal to probability x less than 1 intersection x less than 2 by probability x less than 2, which is equal to probability x less than 1 by probability x less than 2. Now since the mean is 2, so lambda would be 1 by 2, and we know that capital Fx is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus lambda x. So this would be 1 into e to the power minus half into 1 by 1 into e to the power minus half into 2. So 1 minus e to the power minus 0.5 by 1 minus e to the power minus 1. So the correct option is option B. The next question is, in a partially destroyed laboratory, only the following results on the record of a regression analysis are legible. Regression equations of y on x is equal to 8x minus 10y plus 66 equals 0, and regression equation of x on y is equal to 40x minus 18y is equal to 214. Then the correlation coefficient between x and y is. Now, using these equations, we get byx is equal to 8 by 10, that is 4 by 5. Now byx has been found out using this, and bxy is equal to 18 by 40, that is 9 by 20. Now we found out this by, we can write this equation as y is equal to 8x by 10 plus 66 by 10. So from here we get byx is equal to 8 by 10 and 4 by 5. Now we got this using this equation, and using this equation we can write x is equal to 18y by 40 plus 214 by 40. So now we get r squared to be byx into bxy, that is 4 by 5 into 9 by 20, that is 9 by 25. So r is equal to plus minus 3 by 5. But since both byx and bxy are positive or of the same sign, so we take r is equal to plus 3 by 5. So option C, that is 0.6, is the correct answer.